Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. Let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face. And the first way to check the battery level on your watch is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces will have the battery widget on them and you can check the battery level like this. If you don't see the battery widget, you can always open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current one. Find the watch face you like to use, tap on customize button under the watch face. Let me reopen it. Come on, like this. Tap on customize and then swipe through the menu or scroll through the menu until you find the complication. Tap on one of the widgets and select the battery widget from the list. And once you select the battery widget, it will appear right here. You can press home button and then you will have the battery widget on your watch face. Another way to check the battery level is to open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. And here we have the battery level. And the last way to check the battery level is through settings. So you can open the settings on your watch. In settings you can find the battery and device care. Tap on it and here we have the battery status. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.